Meaning of eucalyptus tree.
Eucalyptus tree.
Eucalyptus tree.
Eucalyptus tree.
Eucalyptus tree. The eucalyptus tree is a type of evergreen tree native to Australia. Its name comes from the Greek word eu meaning well, and calypto which means covered, referring to the tree's flower buds that are covered by a cap-like structure. Eucalyptus trees are known for their aromatic leaves, which are commonly used in herbal remedies for respiratory ailments. They are also valued for their wood, which is used in paper production and for building construction. In addition, eucalyptus trees are important in the production of essential oils, which have numerous industrial and medicinal uses.